In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your entire life, both work and personal, using Google Calendar and ClickUp. These two powerful tools together can streamline not only what you do, but when you do it, helping you stay on top of every aspect of your life. Let's dive in. First things first, let's decide the distinct roles each tool will play. Google Calendar is wonderful for time management. You'll use it to block off chunks of time for appointments, meetings, routines, or any events that occur at a specific time. Essentially, it manages the when your tasks take place. Meanwhile, ClickUp is your go-to for task and project management. It's where the what happens, tracking tasks, projects, ideas, and goals, both personal and work-related. To seamlessly blend these two, sync your ClickUp tasks with their deadlines into your Google Calendar, ensuring you have visibility over them throughout your day. Now let's structure your Google Calendar. Start by creating separate calendars under your Google account, such as work, personal, health and routines, learning and growth, and relationships and social. Assign each one a distinct color, so you can quickly assess where your time is spent. Use time blocks in your calendar for daily or weekly activities, like your morning routine, focused work time, meetings, admin tasks, and your evening wind down. Remember that if something has a fixed time, it should go into your Google Calendar. Moving on to structuring ClickUp. Set up spaces for both your work and personal life with folders and lists for different areas. For example, work might include projects, team tasks, and goals, while personal could cover home, finances, health, and learning. Break your projects down into manageable tasks and even subtasks, assigning deadlines and priorities. Make good use of ClickUp's recurring tasks feature for regular bills, habits, or chores. Take advantage of the customizable views like the list view for daily tasks, the board view for Kanban-style progress tracking, and the goals view to align your tasks with your bigger objectives. To connect ClickUp with Google Calendar, use ClickUp's Calendar Sync to add your tasks to Google Calendar. You can choose to make this a two-way sync to keep everything updated automatically. Appointments will primarily be entered directly into Google Calendar, while tasks originate in ClickUp but are viewable in Google Calendar, helping balance planning and execution. Beyond setting up these tools, establish a routine to maintain this organizational system. On Sundays, conduct a weekly reset by reviewing upcoming tasks in ClickUp and scheduling time blocks in Google Calendar for them. Decluttering any overdue tasks daily, have a morning preview on Google Calendar and an evening review in ClickUp to keep everything aligned and updated. Lastly, some pro tips. Use priorities in ClickUp to be strategic about what gets time in your calendar, and utilize recurring events in Google Calendar for consistent activities like workouts or family dinners. It's also wise to add buffer time between meetings to avoid burnout, and of course, make sure you have the mobile versions of both tools handy for when you're on the go. Incorporating these practices can make a remarkable difference in managing your personal and professional life efficiently. Give it a try and watch as balance and organization transform your everyday routine.